Hi guys, it's Debbie. Welcome to What's Mama Cooking For Us. But of course, today Mama's not cooking. Mama's making some shrimp cocktails. But anyways, I just thought I'd come on, show you just what I'm having for a little snack. So what I did was I bought some shrimp, cut them up in little, I could just cut them in half actually. Took the tails off, cut them in half. And this way you can just buy a little bit, and make a couple up for yourself. So I'm going to just divide these up into the bowls. And I like to have lemon on mine. So I'm going to squirt lemon. Lots of lemon. I like a lot of lemon. I usually like to eat these with lettuce. Put a little bit of lettuce because I like to eat a crunchy little lettuce with it. Just kind of makes it a little more refreshing, I think. Okay. And then let me just rinse my hand off. Now darn it all, I was supposed to take the top off of this so I wouldn't have to do it on camera. Alright, hold on. Let's see if I can do it. My hand's wet. Alright, I'm such a nut. I just said take the top off of that so you won't have to do it on camera because you only have one hand. So mix up your lemon juice a little. See it in there? Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then I usually like to make my own cocktail sauce, but I just grabbed this because I couldn't find, because I got to buy the horseradish, and you have to find that in the refrigerator section. And then I just mix it with some little bit of ketchup, and it's delicious. I love cocktail sauce. Homemade's better, but this is good. It's just Heinz cocktail sauce. So give that a little mix. I usually do up about 2 or 3 of these. And then I'm just going to set my little lemon in there for later so I can give it another squeeze if you want. And a little piece of saran wrap. Let's grab the other one. If you don't like the lemon, of course, leave it out, but seafood and lemon, they go together. So look at those. Aren't those beautiful? So I'm going to stick these in my fridge, and then if I want a little snack, I can just pull one out and have one. I'm going to have one now, and I'm going to have one later or tomorrow. So let me give it a taste. Let's give it a little bite. So delicious. Look at that. I'll do what Gina does. She zooms right in there. Look at that. Don't you want a bite of that right now? It's so good. So I speak of Gina, but her name is Gina Young, and she has her own channel, Cooking with Gina. Go check her out. I'll put the link at the bottom. She's incredible, and she's always teasing us with her close-up shot. So I'm gonna tease you guys with my close-up shot. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. All right, guys. Be blessed. Subscribe. Show me love. Share if you like this video. It's just a little short, easy, quick little tip. Shrimp is kind of expensive, but if you just buy a little amount or you buy a little small bag in the store, you can make more meals with it, or, buy the bag and you get several, little meals or snacks out of it. And yeah, so it's not that expensive. You can just go in the store and go up to the seafood counter and ask for 4 shrimp, 3, 4, 5, and then you have your own little shrimp cocktail. But yeah, and always have lemon. You always got to have lemon and cocktail sauce. So let's go in there again. Don't you want that bite? Don't you want that bite? That's for you, Gina, because you're always teasing me. All right, thanks, you guys. And don't forget, I need subscribers. I'm trying to get up to 1,000. I think I only got like 50 more to go. So if you like this video, give it a try. Let me know if you try it out. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye, guys.